What's going on, guys? Welcome back to a new video. Today, in this video, I'm gonna help you understand exactly why your YouTube impression on your video suddenly dropped, why you're not getting views anymore, why you're not getting impression, why your YouTube views are completely flatlining just like this. If you are a small YouTube channel right here, right now, I totally understand you. If you are like me on YouTube, just starting out and getting impressions that's going up in the beginning and then completely flatlining. If you look at the views, if you look at the reach on the video, you can see the impression are increasing in the beginning and then boom, completely flatlining, not getting impression, not getting views anymore, right? This happens on many of your videos. It happens on many on my videos also. And you're wondering why. If you're wondering where you can find this information, simply go to your YouTube Creator Studio, into your channel dashboard, and go to the YouTube Analytics right here. By clicking Analytics on the left, you can have all of the different data that I encourage you to look at into your YouTube channel to understand exactly what is working and what is not working on your YouTube channel right now. And if you click on one of your video, you can see the video analytics for your video and how your impressions are increasing in the beginning and then boom, completely flatlining, not getting view, not getting subscribers, not getting any kind of money or watch time anymore. Why does your YouTube impression suddenly drop like this? Completely flatlining? That's because YouTube is not recommending your video anymore. The short answer is your YouTube video is not good enough. See? You can see right here under the reach, you have an impression click-through rate, 3.8, which is not bad, but it is not good enough. It is not good enough. And if you look at the engagement tab for this video, you can see the average duration is only 2 minutes 27, when the video duration is actually 29 minutes. So people are not watching the whole video. They are all clicking off the video in the beginning. If you look at the retention curve, they are watching the beginning and then much more than half of the people that are watching quit the video 2 minutes after, right? And there are basically nobody watching the video anymore to the end. That's because the video is not good enough, it's not entertaining, it's not engaging, it's not providing value to the viewer. People click off the video. So basically, YouTube is not recommending your video anymore. You are not getting any YouTube impression anymore. It's suddenly dropped. It's a completely flat line because the video is not good enough. So what can you do? See, on YouTube, there are many different sources of traffic. You can get views on YouTube by getting in the suggested feed, in the recommendation, in the browse traffic, in the trending tab. Here, under your analytics, if you look at under the reach tab, you will see different search traffic, different traffic sources, browse feature, direct, channel pages, YouTube shorts, and more and more and more. And what you want to focus as a small channel is YouTube search. You want to be on YouTube search as a small channel. It's much easier. Don't try to imitate what is working on YouTube, making videos just like the one that are performing well and getting millions of views. Because it's completely pointless as a small YouTube channel to try to get into the suggested tab right here. Into the suggested tab. Here, it's a good source of traffic. Many people click here in the suggested video and watch the video that are here. But as a small channel, it's very difficult to get there because the videos that are here are from big creators, established YouTubers that have been making content and YouTube video for years. They have quality videos, they have tons of views, there are tons of subscribers, and YouTube trusts this channel. Here you can see vid creators, Fake Media, vidIQ, etc. These are very well-known YouTubers that are here. And as a small YouTuber, if you're just starting out, if your videos are not that good yet, you will not get there in the suggested tab. You will not get there and you will stop getting views at some point. YouTube will not recommend your video at some point. Your impression will suddenly drop or flatline because your video is not good enough. So what you want to do instead of focusing on getting suggested by YouTube, getting in the suggested tab, browse tab, trending tab, instead you want to focus on the YouTube search traffic. And how you do that? You simply look for the YouTube search bar at the top and you type simply some keywords. You want to make video about many different topics, many different keywords, and you want to rank first on the YouTube search results page. Right here, for example, here, if you type YouTube impressions suddenly drop, you will find this video right here at the top. So this video is at the top, and when people search this in the YouTube bar, they will click on this video and watch this video. So that's why this video in particular, right here, that ranked first on the search result for this keyword, get consistently views. They are consistently getting impression and views day after day after day, month after month, year after year. The views on this video are constantly growing. Here, to have this kind of information, this kind of graph, you need the vidIQ extension that I highly recommend that you install. The link is in the description under this video. And here you will have many information about this video that you are currently watching, and you can see that the view is totally increasing. This video is getting 8.5 views per hour. Every single hour, this video is getting 8.5 views, and that's because it is getting search traffic. When you see that the video is constantly getting views day after day after day after day, constantly growing, it is because of search traffic most of the time. That's because for this keyword, this video is ranking first, and that's what you want to do as a small channel. You want to create video, having a keyword phrase in your title, in your video description, in your video tags, and ranking number one for the search result for many different keywords. And that's how you get consistently on top, consistently getting views, consistently getting impression. If you only try to make popular video topic and try to get in the suggested tab right here, just like other big channels are doing, you will not get there as a small YouTube channel because YouTube does not trust your channel yet. It won't place your channel into the recommended tab yet. Here is only for the big creators that have been established on YouTube for many, many years. What you want instead is focus on the keyword. Here you can see there are plenty of small channels with only 2,000 subscribers that can rank here on top of the search result. 2,000 subscribers only. 29 subscribers, 29,000 subscribers only. 3,000 subscribers only. So as a small YouTube channel, you can rank here. Super easily, super quick if you make a high quality video that answers the keyword that people are searching for. So that's what I recommend you to do. Instead of going for the suggested tab where the big YouTubers are, you want to go for the keyword. Make video topic about these kind of keywords that you can type and answer in your video. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. I hope you understand a little bit better why your video impressions stop and how you can get more views and more impressions by looking at search traffic instead of suggested traffic. I hope it was helpful to you. Thank you for watching to the end and stay with me. Click right here to watch the next video where I will give you more YouTube tips that will be helpful to you. And I will see you there. Bye bye.